Hello everyone! Are you curious about the keto diet but don't know where to start? In this video, we are going to show you a 30-day keto diet plan that will help you lose weight and feel great. Stick around till the end and we've got you covered. Don't miss out on our next update. Subscribe and get your hands on the latest stories before the rest. Exchanging over to a ketogenic diet can give off an impression of being overwhelming. In any case, it very well may be a wreck now and again. Your consideration ought to be on diminishing carbs while growing the fat and protein substance of meals and chops. To remain in a state of ketosis, carbs must be restricted. While people may achieve ketosis by eating under 20 grams of carbs consistently, others may be able to hit their goals with much higher carb utilization. The lower your sugar utilization, the more straightforward it is to reach and stay in ketosis. That is the reason holding fast to keto-obliging sustenance and avoiding things rich in carbs is the perfect way to deal with getting fit on a ketogenic diet. When you are making a diet plan, include these kinds of foods. So first, you should eat eggs. Then there's poultry like chicken and turkey. Oily fishes like salmon, herring, and mackerel are another great choice. In terms of meat, beef, venison, and pork are all good. And there's full-fat dairy like yogurt, margarine, and cream. Not to mention full-fat cheeses like cheddar, mozzarella, brie, goat cheddar, and cream cheddar. Nuts and seeds like macadamia nuts, almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, peanuts, and flax seeds. You can also consider fats or oils like coconut oil, olive oil, avocado oil, coconut margarine, and sesame oil. Avocados are another great choice. So whole avocados can be added to any meal, or you can make guacamole as a dressing. Vegetables like greens, broccoli, tomatoes, mushrooms, and peppers are also good additions to your diet. Then, coming to garnishes, consider salt, pepper, vinegar, and lemon juice. So now let's look at what a 30-day keto diet using all these items would look like. So this diet would give you carbs consistently. It is possible that you may need to give up on sugars altogether, further to really kickstart the keto process. It is a one-week ketogenic menu that can be changed depending upon dietary needs. So for Monday, breakfast would consist of 2 eggs fried with some margarine and sautéed greens. Then for lunch, a bunless beef burger polished off with some cheddar cheese, mushrooms, and avocado on a bed of greens. Dinner can be some pork with green beans sautéed in coconut oil. Next, we come to Tuesday. So for breakfast, you can have a mushroom omelet. Lunch will be tuna with some blended greens with celery and tomato on a bed of greens. And dinner, roast chicken with cream sauce and sautéed broccoli. Then, we come to Wednesday. So for breakfast, we will have eggs in any style you want with bell peppers and cheddar. Lunch will be some arugula with hard-boiled eggs, turkey, avocado, and blue cheddar. Then there's dinner, which is grilled salmon with spinach sautéed in coconut oil. Next, we have Thursday. So breakfast will be full-fat yogurt with some keto granola. For lunch, you can have a steak with cauliflower rice, cheddar, seasoning, avocado, and salsa. Dinner can be some chicken grilled with broccoli. Friday is up next, and we start off with baked avocados and boiled eggs for breakfast, Caesar salad with chicken and bacon for lunch, and dinner can be some pork with vegetables. Coming to Saturday. For breakfast, we can have some cauliflower toast with a bit of cheddar cheese and avocado. Lunch will be a bunless salmon burger with pesto dressing and some salad. Dinner can be meatballs with zucchini noodles and some cheese of choice. On Sunday, you can treat yourself to a coconut milk chia pudding with walnuts for breakfast. Then for lunch, have a Cobb salad with hard-boiled eggs, avocado, cheddar, and turkey. Then for dinner, enjoy some coconut chicken curry on a bed of cauliflower rice. You can repeat this for the duration of a month. This plan provides variety and will ensure that you don't get bored of the diet. Now, you may feel like snacking in between, so go ahead and keep some keto-friendly snacks in hand. You can munch on them to keep the hunger pangs away during the afternoon. And we didn't forget about the fact that you need some stimulants to keep you powered during the day. It is undoubtedly better to stay away from energy drinks and soda. Black coffee and green tea are the way to go instead. Now, you would want to indulge your sweet tooth also. So keep some berries stocked up in your fridge and you can enjoy a blast of wholesome nutrition every time you want to have something sweet. If you're going to be on the keto diet, it is important that your grocery shopping list include fresh produce and keto-friendly food. So plan your shopping cart or list accordingly. Just remember the basics while planning the keto diet is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate plan. A sound diet should include fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Focus on animal products like eggs, meats, alongside dairy and leafy greens. Planning your diet and your shopping will make your transition into the keto lifestyle much easier. Planning your shopping and stocking up on multiple keto-friendly foods will give you plenty of options when preparing meals, but also help streamline any cravings by providing steady fuel sources. Also, remember that this is a lifestyle choice that you are making, so don't hesitate to contact a dietitian or nutritionist. They will be able to create a personalized keto diet for you. And that's a wrap. Let us know your thoughts in the comments.